Howdy ho, everybody! Joe Blitz with more Pokemon openings today. We have another blister. This time it's an Ultra Prism blister. Alright. Come on, Ultra Prism. Oh, that was a bit dangerous. I nearly cut a bit close to my leg. For something age 6 and up, these are freaking hard to get into. Yeah. Cut the damn thing. Oh, that was harder than it should have been. Alrighty, do I need that? Alright, first things first. Shiny Promo Alolan Vulpix. This card can be really good. Alright, and we have another coin. If I can get it out. I can't even tell what coin that is. I think it's a Xanius. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a Xanius. It's nice though. Alright. 3 Ultra Prisms. Alright. What do we have in here? One, two, three, four. I don't know why that one's upside down. Alright, lightning energy. Looker. He's having a gander at you. Having a gander. Oh, I can't remember what that is. Shieldon. Nice. Oh, an order pad. Fuck yeah. Awesome. They're really handy. Oh, Persimmon. Nice. Yeah, Shinx. Oh, Caravan. Murkrow. Ooh, Magnemite. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Prinplup. Lovely. Oh, and a Toxicroak to finish out. Nice. Okay, what do we have in this bad boy? Water Energy. Spiritomb. Ooh, Goomshoes. Yay. That card's sick. Oh, Luxio. Magnemite. Lovely. Snover. Awesome. Oh, Glameow. Oh, and a Drifblim. Oh, Drifloon, sorry. Drifloon. Morlul. Shiny. That's shiny. Oh, Diglett. Oh, okay. Frostrotom. This is a cool card too. Nice. Couple of useful cards in there. Alright, lucky last one. Every single packet I've opened has been a green code card. That's a bit annoying. Alright, so we got a green energy. Missing Clover. Nice. Yeah, Manphy. Oh, another Lily. Lily's always handy. Magnemite again. Krogunk. Bronzor. Oh, Gibble. Pachirisu, I think that's how you say it. Oh, a fan rotom. Nice. Reverse Hollow. Oh, and a Drapion. Nice. There we go, there was a few things in there. Fortunately no special shiny ones, but hey, you can't win them all, I suppose. Oh well, guess I gotta keep trying. Isn't that the fun? Well, thanks again guys for joining me. Hope you all had a good time. I know I did. It's always fun opening more packets, seeing what stuff could get that little rush. But yeah, thanks again for tuning in. Drop us a like and subscribe if you feel like it. And I hope everyone has a great day. See everyone later. Have a good one.